How much do you think एक बंदे की responsibility to fix their own communication, and how much do you think empathy plays a part in it as well?
I think both of them play a part.
50-50.
Active application, active learning जो है किसी भी skill की, वो of course I mean it's not magic. You need to practice. For example, आप sports में जाते हैं तो आप कोई भी sport खेलना शुरू करेंगे तो you're not an excellent player right on the
Yeah,
first day.
absolutely.
You know, it takes time, takes hours and days and weeks and months and years at times to hone your skills and you know refine करें, fine tune करें. Communication is also one such thing. You need to practice, you need to read about it, you need to learn about it, you need to, जो empathy वाली बात की है ना, you need to feel the other person as well at times कि उसकी क्या emotions हैं, वो किस तरह की उसकी history रही है, वो किस background से है. You know, effective communication का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा is reading the other person. Being able to read the other person, which brings me to a very important point कि communication outward ही समझी जाती है generally, कि जी communication बाहर की तरफ ही होती है. मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ तो मैं आपके साथ communicate मैं कर रहा हूँ. When you are listening to me right now, you are also communicating. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at your face. I'm looking at your facial expressions. I'm looking at your body language. I can
Gauge कर पा रहे हैं कितना
मैं गेज
interested
कर
हैं.
पा रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
मैं ये देख रहा हूँ यार इसमें स्टैमिना भी है, ये मेरी बात सुन रहा है या इधर उधर ड्रिफ्ट कर रहा है,
हाँ,
ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. तो आई कैन व्हाट आई कैन डू इज़ व्हेन आई टेक दीज cues, I can start to adjust myself and I can you know play around with words, play around with my own tone, my own communication के जितने aspects हैं, to make sure that my priority at times is the comfort of the other person when you're communicating. There's no point in having forceful communication. It
Right.
doesn't go through.
Yeah.
तो
बैरियर खड़ा हो जाता है.
बैरियर खड़ा हो जाता है ना. अब हम एक घंटा भी बैठ के बात करते रहे and if we don't connect properly, then all that we talk about just goes to waste because there's no point in having a conversation when there's a barrier in between. Right. And barrier is of course this
Mental
it
blocks.
can be mental blocks होते हैं. कोई हो सकता है maybe you have a stress at home right now, maybe there is something else. ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो मैं समझता हूँ कि जब तक आप कम्युनिकेट करते नहीं है ना, और फ्रेंडली सेटिंग्स का पर्पज़ ये है, फैमिली का पर्पज़ ये है कि वो आपको सेफ हेवन्स होते हैं, वो सेफ स्पेसेस होती हैं